Welcome to the MasterAlgebra1.com EOC Tip of the Day. Now remember, at MasterAlgebra1.com you get access to unlimited realistic Algebra 1 EOC practice tests, and each and every question includes a video tutorial if you need help. Now, what's today's tip? It may seem easy, but sometimes the easiest tips are the most important ones. So, it has to do with the EOC reference sheet. Make sure that you spend time looking this over so that you know what's on here. Now, I'm not telling you to memorize this. That defeats the whole purpose of this. But know what is on here. I can't tell you the number of times that I've had a student finish the EOC and then say, Mr. Bywater, man, I wish I could have remembered that formula that I needed. And I said, it was on the reference sheet. So make sure you know what's on here. And as a check, when you get done with the EOC, look over this and make sure that there's not something here that you thought wasn't here. So there you go. That's the Master Algebra 1 EOC Tip of the Day. And remember, at MasterAlgebra1.com, you get access to an unlimited number of realistic EOC practice tests where each and every question includes a video tutorial. So, good luck and keep up the hard work.